Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Norwegian Haven Suite experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Norwegian Bliss. This particular suite is the Deluxe owner suite with large balcony. It's the top suite on the ship and I cannot wait to share it with you. It is absolutely stunning. Now keep in mind when you're ready to book your next room or suite with Norwegian, make sure you do it right on HarTravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and you're gonna get that assistance every step of the way, that HarTravel signature service with one of our advisors to make sure that you get the most out of your Haven experience. Now we started right here in the living room of this beautiful suite. Just from a position standpoint, we're at the very front of the ship. So we're in the front corner. We're gonna take you out to that incredible balcony in just a second, but let's check out the rest of the suite. Now, as you walk in the door, you're gonna have a really nice long hallway here. The first place that we're gonna encounter is the half bath. So I love that you have a separate half bath here in addition to the other two bathrooms we're gonna show you. You've got a toilet and a small vanity, but if you're hosting friends or family, it's so nice to have that space to utilize without them having to go into your personal space. Now keep in mind, if you utilize the living room as an extra bedroom, because you can fit up to 6 guests into this space, they can utilize that bathroom as their own without having to go into either one of the bedrooms. Now let's head in here to the second bedroom. Now, as I walk through the door, you can see it's a really nice, large space. Now, it's a really interesting setup here. You've got a couch right here where you can sit, relax. You're gonna have a TV, so it's a perfect setup for having a den. We do get a lot of couples that will book this suite, especially for longer cruises, so you have several separate different spaces to relax. Now, interesting feature here is these are actually the legs for the bed. This is a Murphy bed where it's gonna come down from the wall. And what I really appreciate about that is you're gonna get an actual mattress. It's not a couch bed like you'll find on a lot of cruise ships. That'll come right down, they'll make it up. They can even put a mattress topper on there for you if you'd like. You're gonna have storage on either side. So you've got the storage feature here and down below. There's a US plug on the side there. I always bring a USB splitter so I can plug one into there and I can utilize it to charge multiple devices. Now directly across from the couch, you're gonna have your large flat panel TV. This is the first of several. It's completely interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship in addition to watching television. You're gonna have storage above and below, and I just wanted to point out that they have these soft touch close all the way throughout the suite. It's a really nice upgraded feature there. You've got more storage down below, and then there's also a separate temperature control just for this room. Maybe you want to sleep at a lower temperature in here, somebody else wants it a little warmer in the other bedroom. You can absolutely do that. Now, as we head further into the space, you're gonna have your vanity here. You've got a chair that does pull out. There's actually storage in the chair there, storage up and down with the drawers, a US plug and a European plug. I also always bring extra European adapters and converters so I can take advantage of all the plugs in the space. You've got a nice mirror here. There's lights up above, and directly across, you've got a floor to ceiling mirror where you can get ready. Now the primary storage here, you're gonna see goes all the way across. So you've got hanging storage all the way across. These bars will come down so that you can have more storage. You're gonna have extra comfy bathrobes and slippers for every single passenger. And then on the other side over here, you're gonna have more storage. And I just wanted to point out that you have a safe. So you'll have another safe we'll show you in just a minute. But this truly is a fully functional second bedroom where you can have a second couple stay, you can have family. It's perfect for a lot of different scenarios. Now let's head into the bathroom. And I really appreciate, in a lot of other cruise ships, they'll put essentially the same bathroom that you have on the regular balconies and inside and out ocean view cabins. This is a truly upgraded Haven bathroom experience. You're gonna find the first of the L'Occitane upgraded bath amenities. They're really nice, high quality. Love that they even have a shower poof, shower cap for you. You've got storage underneath, storage along here, and a little bit of more storage under there as well. Toilet's tucked in the corner, and I'm gonna step into the shower. To me, this is the real difference maker. I'm 6'6", I'm a big guy, I have plenty of space in here. You've got your adjustable shower wand up and down. You've got that nook for those extra bath amenities that you bring from home. And then of course, more of those L'Occitane bath amenities. So now we're gonna head back into the living room space. This entire wall is mirrors, so you can get ready. And I love that they have a little nook here. You can put your keys and things like that. You've got another chair where you can sit and put your shoes on, so you can actually store them just underneath if you don't wanna wear them in the suite. Now, as soon as we get back into the living room, you can see the space really opens up here. You've got a nice, comfortable couch. That's something that I love that Norwegian has done, is they've really made the furniture extra comfortable. Even for me, I can actually lay down there, watch TV, look out at the incredible views out the front of the ship. It's a perfect match for me. You've got a large coffee table here, and just talking about some of those little touches. Now this can be utilized as a bedroom space, they know that, so this can fold out, they'll put that comfy topper on there for you. But because of that, you've got lighting that goes underneath, you've got a Euro plug on this side, a Euro plug on that side, and you also have a USB charger built into the lamp. So if anybody's utilizing this as the bed, of course, your cabin steward's gonna come in, they'll make it up each and every evening. They'll put it all back away for you in the morning when you head down to the Haven restaurant for breakfast. Now, if you wanna see the Haven restaurant, all the other incredible spaces that they have here, whether it's the courtyard pool, the sun deck, you can check that out on our channel with the full ship tour. Now over here, you're gonna have the chair with an ottoman. It's a nice comfy one. I can picture myself taking a nap there. You're gonna have storage all around. So if you utilize this as a bedroom space, all of this wall is storage, that wall is as well. And they actually have a nice little reference library in here. Now right in the middle, you're gonna find your dining room table. So if you have room service here, you can order from the Haven restaurant. They'll set it up with a white tablecloth. They'll bring in all of that incredible food for you to utilize. It's also that perfect place to gather together for a family game night or just to sit and relax and have a cocktail before you head on out and enjoy the ship. Now continuing along on this side, you're gonna have a nice large butler's pantry. It is a wet bar here, so you can see that they're greeted with some alcohol amenities there. You've got your mini fridge tucked just underneath. It's fully stocked upon your arrival. They can restock that upon your request as well. You're gonna have a portable phone here that you can utilize throughout your time here on board. You've got that room service menu just there as well. And then tucked in the corner, you're gonna have your Nespresso maker. Now I start my day every single day at home with a nice Nespresso, so I love that I can do that here on board as well. Of course, you can take advantage of your butler. They can do all kinds of things for you. So of course they can arrange in-room dining. They can make specialty restaurant reservations for the show. They're really your resource from start to finish, and they're gonna take the entire experience to another level. Now, before we head into the bedroom, I just wanted to point out there's more storage here. And then one unique feature is this is actually the entry into the primary bedroom closet. So you'll see that when we head around to the other side, but I just wanted to point that out before we head on in. Now, as we head right into the primary bedroom, I just wanted to point out one of my all-time favorite features. It's a door. I love my family, I love traveling with them, but having that extra separation of space goes a really long way. Now, as we head into the room, I just wanted to point out that they've really invested a ton of money and design into the bedding. So it's really high quality, extra comfortable mattresses. You can order from an entire pillow menu if you'd like. There is space underneath to store your luggage. And then another one of those little tiny features that goes a long way is you can see a little bit of blue light there on the ground. So what they have is on either side, they've got these really dim blue lights. So in the evening, when you head up, maybe you need to utilize the restroom or you want to head out and get something out of the fridge. I'll do that from time to time. You have that low light that's not going to disturb your ability to go back to sleep. Now you've got the nice large king size bed right here in the middle, and it's angled perfectly looking out the windows out the side of the ship. You can also look to your other side and you're looking out the front of the ship as well. You've got the large flat panel TV here tucked away. It does angle based on how you'd like to utilize it. Now for those keeping count, that is the third TV. You've got the nice large one in the living room as well. So once again, if you're traveling with a family or a group of friends, everybody has their own private space to tuck away. Now up on the ceiling, they have this beautiful light feature. At night, you can turn that on and it looks like the twinkling stars in the sky. And then as we wrap around, I just wanted to point out that they've got the sheer curtains. You also have the blackout curtains as well. Now on either side of the bed, you're gonna have full light controls. You have a US plug on this side of the bed, and then just behind, you're gonna have a Euro converter. Once again, I always bring that splitter so I can take advantage of all of the different plugs in the room. Now, speaking of charging in the lamps, they also have a USB plug here as well. You have plenty of room to charge your devices. Now you've got another temperature control, so you've got a separate one for the living room, one for here, one for the other bedroom as well. Once again, you can see why it's the perfect combination for so many guests. Now I'm gonna take you into the bathroom. Before we do, I just wanted to point out, this is the door that heads out to your side-facing balcony. You're also gonna have a massive forward-facing balcony that we'll show you. Now, as we head into the bathroom, I did want to point out that you have a door here as well for that extra level of privacy. And now we're going to head into the closet. You've got 3 hooks right here, so you can put your coats. That's especially useful when you're in Alaska. Up here, you're going to have more of those soft touch storage areas, so you just open that up and you can close it. Down below, you're gonna have more storage up above, and then you're gonna have hanging storage all the way around, and then this will pull down for a little bit more. You've got even more hanging storage on the other side, the golf umbrella that you're going to utilize throughout your stay here on board. And once again, they'll have those extra comfy bathrobes and slippers for you. Now in this closet, you're going to have another safe. Once again, perfect size for your passport, your wallet, keys, not quite big enough for a laptop, and a bit more storage up and down. And this is that door that I was pointing out that opens up and heads into the living room. So as we enter the primary bathroom, you can see they have beautiful white Carrara marble all throughout. The first stop here is the vanity. So you've got another US and Euro plug. You've got a backlit magnifying mirror, another nice large backlit mirror. You can actually turn this if you'd like, so you can take advantage of the views while you get ready. You've got the ottoman that you can pull out to sit, and you're gonna have your hair dryer here, along with a little bit of storage. I love that they have more of that storage here where you can tuck your things away completely. Now over to the side, you're gonna have a nice comfy bath. Now your butler I mentioned earlier can do quite a few things for you. They're happy to pack and unpack for you. In fact, that's one of my favorite features. I'll get on board the ship, come up here, we'll let them know what goes where. I can go out and start enjoying the Haven, the racetrack, or any of the other incredible amenities while they take care of that. And then of course, the last day you can enjoy every single moment while they pack up and take care of that for you. So you'll see some of those comfy robes. They can also draw a bubble bath for you. So maybe you want a bubble bath and then a nice glass of champagne. That's something that they'd be happy to arrange. You've got the toilet tucked just in the corner here. There is another door, once again, for privacy. And then over here, you're gonna find a large double vanity. So it's backlit. You can see the lights in the mirror here. You've got tons of storage underneath. You also have storage tucked away, and then also a plug for a razor. Now, in addition to the tub, you're gonna have a step-in shower. Once again, being a big guy, I love the size of this. It's one of those Swiss showers, so you've got jets all the way up, and on the top, you've got a rainforest shower head here. You're gonna have the clothesline that'll pull across. You can put your suit on there when you head back from the pool. More of those L'Occitane bath amenities. You've got a shower wand here, and then a nice bench seat, a nook for more amenities. But what's incredible is you get these amazing views out to the ocean. So you've got a window here. You do have a shade that you can pull down for privacy. And then you also have another window that you can have a shade to pull down for privacy. But if it's just a couple here, it's a perfect place to take advantage of those amazing views. So now we're out on the side-facing balcony. Once again, the shower's on this side, the bedroom's on the other. You've got two chairs here. They'll put those nice comfy pads out here. It's that perfect place to have a nice cup of coffee in the morning, maybe a cocktail in the evening, and take advantage of the incredible ocean views. When we sail away here in just a few minutes, it's gonna be an amazing place to take that in and relax throughout your cruise. Now let's head out and check out the forward-facing balcony. So now we're out on your private forward-facing veranda. It's a really nice large space. So I'll start off on the side over here. You're gonna have 4 chairs and a table. They can add more if you'd like. It's that perfect place for that in-room dining. So you can take advantage of that expanded room service menu or order directly from the Haven restaurant menu. You can imagine sitting out here, taking in the incredible views wherever it is that you are in the world is a really exceptional thing to have. Now, as you continue along, you can see the large deck space. So continuing from the living room, if you do have friends, family members traveling with you, it's perfect for hosting a small party or having friends over. You've got these 2 really comfortable loungers here with a cocktail table just in the middle. You can see all the windows along the side. Those will all open up so that you can have those beautiful views. And there's also a door from the bedroom. So maybe you want to come out here and enjoy that space without heading into the living room and disturbing anyone. The door's right here. Now it does wrap all the way along the side. There's a door here. You get a little bit of separation. It also helps for wind control as well. So you can utilize this side space if you'd like. So it wraps completely around. Now, as we head back towards the front, you can see why this truly is the perfect suite for cruising through the scenic parts of our world. Whether you want to dine out here, have a nice relaxing place, you can get the incredible views out the front and the side of the ship. Now, when you're ready to book this suite or any room or suite with Norwegian Cruises, make sure you reach out to Har Travel. We are your Norwegian Cruise experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with Norwegian Cruise Lines and the Haven concierges, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value and get that Har Travel signature service every step of the way. Now let's go enjoy the Haven.